Hello everyone, welcome to Office Mystic. In this video, we are going to create a stacked column and how to display the data accurately. First, select the range. In this case, it's B1 through C4. Click on Insert and pull down the column menu in the Charts group. Click on More Column Charts and select Stacked Columns. Another way to get to the same chart is by clicking on the launcher in the Charts group. Click on All Charts, Column, and then Stacked Column and click OK. Now let's display the percentage on the chart itself by opening the chart elements and selecting Data Labels. I came across an issue when I had to create a stacked column the other day. The visual representation of the chart wasn't exactly accurate. If your first percentage is over 80%, the chart will show more of the smaller percentages, so it's easier to read. But if you are interested in seeing a true representation of the percentages, you have to negate this feature. As you can see here, the new minimum is 75% instead of 0%. This is helpful if you're really looking at the chart, but if you're quickly glancing at it, it may be misleading. So you want to change the minimum value back to 0%. Open the Format Axis pane by double-clicking on the vertical axis title. Click on the Axis Options tab and change the minimum value to 0. This will force your chart to display the percentage starting from 0. Click outside the pane and you will see the column chart reflect the true percentage. If your vertical axis is not displayed, you can open it by clicking on the Chart Elements menu and insert a check next to Axis. Thank you for watching. If you have any ideas or issues with other aspects of Excel or any other Microsoft product, please comment below and of course subscribe and click like. Thank you.